Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel or welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this video we are going to look at the appearance for the Geopoint question type. So the Geopoint question type allows you to capture a single location. So I have a question here for Geopoint, but I'm going to move it up to the top so we're able to just see it as the first question once you open the form. So I've done that. So the appearance, normally once you do that, let's save our form and then let's upload this version and see how the Geopoint question type works. Yeah. So I'm going to refresh this and open, and once I click start Geopoint, it opens this widget and then it connects to a few satellites after a few minutes, and then once it does that, so I'm going to click on save now. Well, it's going to save by default. So I'm going to click on save. And you can see it gives me the longitude, latitude, altitude, and accuracy. Now this is how it looks and appears by default. But then if I change it, if I change the appearance, so one of the appearances you're able to work with Geopoint is maps. So if I change this appearance to maps, let's see how that changes the form. So I'm going to upload the new definition here, the new version. And if I let's refresh. If I were to click on start Geopoint, it's going to open a map like this, and then it's going to place the point here. So this is how it looks, as opposed to giving me the dialog box. And in this case, once I'm happy with what I have, I can click on the save button by the top, by the bottom right here, or I can click the delete option here, or click on this plus icon to add it. So if I click on save, it's going to bring me back to this page and show me the options. I can view or change, either delete the point here and then capture again, and then click on save. So that's how you're able to work with the maps appearance using the Geopoint question type. Another option is placement map. So you're able to work with placement map as opposed to only map. So I'm going to change this to placement map. So I'm going to change this to placement map here, then save and upload a new definition. I'm going to discard and start a new one. And so if I click on this, it gives me this. It gives me this option as placement map. And one of the things I'm able to do with placement map is I'm able to place a point myself instead of capture the location. So with this, I can click on plus to capture my exact location, but then I can move to another location. Let's say I'm going to move to say I don't know, Yemen here, and then I'm going to place a point and Marib here. And so with this, I'm going to save, and these are the geocoordinates. Of course, it doesn't have any accuracy or altitude, but it captures the longitude and latitude of that particular place. So placement map does the placement map appearance allows the user to select any point from the map as opposed to capture the exact location. So this might be something you want someone to do. Maybe they search on a map and then click on the point to select the Geopoint. So that's what placement map does as appearance. So those are the appearances you work with Geopoint. Geotrace and geoshape don't have any appearances they work with. So with geoshape or geotrace, it opens up a map like this by default, and then you're able to work and it shows you the line if you're working with geotrace, and then shows you the shape with geoshape as you're working, and shows you the polygon. So with location questions, Geopoint, geotrace, and geoshape, only Geopoint works with any appearance, and geotrace and geoshape don't. So these are the two appearances you're able to work with Geopoint, the maps and then placement map. Yeah. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe and engage with the content. See you in the next one.